Have you ever asked yourself the pros and cons of renting versus buying a home? Pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you today. This will help you make an informed decision whether to rent or buy a home. Please remember to subscribe to get more videos like this. So let's start. So these are the pros of renting. 1. Flexibility. Renting offers more flexibility as you can easily move to a new location when your lease is up without worrying about the hassle of selling a home. 2. Minimum maintenance. As a renter, you are not responsible for major maintenance costs or the upkeep of the property. 3. Lower upfront costs. Renting often requires less money upfront, such as down payment, closing costs, and other related expenses. 4. Access to amenities. Many rental properties offer amenities such as pools, fitness centers, and community spaces that may be more costly to obtain in a home. And now, what are some of the disadvantages of renting? Lack of equity. Renting does not provide you with equity or long-term investment, unlike buying a home that may often increase in value. 2. Potential for rent increases. Renting also comes with the potential downside of landlords increasing rent each year, which makes it difficult for you to budget for long-term housing costs. 3. Landlord restrictions. As a renter, you may face restrictions on pets, modifications to the property, or hosting visitors overnight. Now that we've looked on the pros and cons of renting, let's see the advantages of buying a home. So what are the pros of buying a home? 1. Equity growth. Buying a home offers a chance for equity growth in the form of rising home values over time. 2. Full control. As a homeowner, you have full control over your property and the ability to make updates and any changes to your property as you see fit. 3. Protection against rent inflation. Owning a home protects you against rent increases as your mortgage payments stay constant over time. 4. Tax benefits. Homeowners can generally deduct mortgage interest and property taxes on their taxes, leading to potential savings every year. So what are the disadvantages of buying a home? 1. High upfront costs. Buying a home requires you to put down a significant down payment, closing costs, and some expenses that can be a very big challenge for some home buyers. Responsibility for maintenance of the property. As a homeowner, you are responsible for all maintenance, repair, and upkeep costs of your property. Flexibility. Buying can reduce flexibility as it is harder to sell a home and move elsewhere. 4. Market risk. Home values can be volatile, and there is always a risk that your home will decrease in value over a period of time. If you enjoy this video, smash the like button and make sure to watch this video on my left to learn how you can invest in real estate with the little money. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.